Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about blogging. So what is blogging? Blogging is something like documenting your learnings in an article. Like you are now watching this video. What you are learning from this video, you can write it in a blog. And also, since this is a YouTube video, don't forget to give it as a credit. Otherwise you might get a copyright claim, okay? So blogging can be your next income. For example, think like you have written a blog on HTML, like about the HTML tags, the useful HTML tags. Some HTML tags are there that people aren't aware of, like the details tag or the article tag. There are quite few of them. You can write it as a blog post. After you have written it as a blog post, and if the reader who is reading the blog finds it helpful and it makes the person excited, and sometimes people sponsor you for the blog. Being excited, there is a way that they want to thank you for the blog post. So this can be as your next income, okay? You can write blogs as your part-time work. Also, this helps you in documenting in your learnings, and also this helps your documenting skills. Documentation is the most important part for any software or any technology you want to use. Like you can like if you go to this page like Tailwind, here you can find the docs option. If you go under the docs tab, then you will see there's so many documentation here. This documentation tells you how to use Tailwind, how you can make a beautiful web pages using Tailwind. So the documentation is most important. Okay, forget about Tailwind. If you search for HTML docs, it will open up the MDN docs, where you can see HTML, how to use HTML tags and what to do with HTML tags, how you can make a table, how you can make a form. You can see everything, each and everything is written there in detail. So this reveals that documentation is the most important thing for any software or any technology, because documentation helps people to know about that software or the technology they are gonna use. So if you want to get a job at a non-tech site, like you can do documentation of a software or a new technology appearing in the market. So this can also get you a job. Cool, na? Now some of the tech people here might think that this is odd, as this is not a part of the tech site. So listen, coding is not only for the people who love tech, who love computer science. Coding is for all. And also, beside coding, if you know how to document your learnings, how to write an article, then it's a bonus point to your resume. This will add value to your resume. Now you people might be thinking that where do you write blogs or articles? There are many websites available on the internet. I personally use hashnode.com and dev.to. You can also use medium.com if you want. These three are the most popular blogging sites in the internet, where developers or people in tech write their articles. If you want to write non-tech articles, you can also do it. There's no issue in that. But if you want to write only non-tech articles, then I would recommend using Blogger. You can also use Blogger. Blogger is by Google, and it is one of the most popular blogging site. And also, if I talk about Blogger, there you can put ads of companies if they like your articles. Some companies often told the article owners or the bloggers who use a Blogger website to put ads of their company on their web page. Is their blogging website. In that case, make sure, be aware that when you are putting ads of some company on your web page, on your blogging site, make sure that the ads are safe, that is they are not spam. You might get some money, some good amount of money by putting the ads of various companies on your blogging site, but make sure the viewers who are reaching to your blogs and reading your blogs and finding helpful, and they can see the ads pasted beside your article or down below the article in your blogging site. Make sure they are safe, they are make sure those ads are not spam or harmful. Otherwise, the readers who are reading your blogs or articles on your website and then clicking on the ads to purchase something, and they might be in danger, and this would harm your blogging site. And if you want to write blogs on hashnode, they often have a sponsor button, they offer it, or otherwise you can do what as you can log in, create an account in Buy Me a Coffee website. It's a pretty cool website, and attach the link here in the hashnode. Like you can write as you can support me by this link. Okay, otherwise you can say like feel free to support me via this link, or you can write Buy Me a Coffee. So it's your choice. So I personally document things, whatever I learn. For example, yesterday I was learning about Tailwind. Like I was learning how to clone the Microsoft web page. So I documented it. I have written these steps how to clone the Microsoft web page. I have written the code base. So it's pretty easy. And one thing, if you are using hashnode or dev.to, then you must see the markdown guide. Like since it's a kind of markdown file, you can see at the right side of where you are writing the blogs, you can see either there's a M down arrow icon, and or there are some guidelines like how you can write your blogs. There must be some rules or links to a page where you can go and see first how to write a blog in the form of a markdown. Okay, so it's pretty simple and easy. I will be doing a tutorial on markdown on GitHub, how to write your readme.md file, that is a readme markdown file in your GitHub repositories. Go and check it out very soon. It will be out very soon. If you are watching this video in the future, then you can go to the channel and you can see the video. It will be already there by that time. And one more thing, if you know good English, then you can write amazing blogs. And if you give thumbnails, or if you give a cover or set a cover before your blog title, then it looks pretty. Like as you're seeing this video, you might see other videos on YouTube whose thumbnails are pretty. So that's why always make sure that when you're writing blogs, give a cover to it, or you can say it as a thumbnail. Make sure it looks pretty and also related to your content. Like as you can see, I've written a blog on Python, and you can see there's a picture of this python, the real python snake. So it's relatable. And make sure you do SEO of your blog post. Now what is SEO? SEO is nothing but it is the search engine optimization. Like when people go to Google and search like getting started with Python blog post or article, it comes in the search results. So for that you should do SEO, like use some keywords related to your blog post or something like that, so that way when people Googles it, they will find your blog post and in their search results. Okay, but before doing SEO, make sure your blog must contain something useful. Like don't write blogs which contains things not useful. For example, people might give the title heading as "What I ate today," and then they start writing "I ate roti, dal, chawal," and etc. Don't do that. It's a blog. It's an article. Put there your learnings, like what you have learned today and your glimpse of about it. For example, if you have learned today how to print "Hello World" in C, so right there, give it a title as "Hello World in C Programming Language," and then start here printing "Hello World," and then write your code like this. Yeah, and then after that, hope this helps you, like something like this as a conclusion. Hope this helps you. Thanks for reading in my blog or article. Okay, and then save and submit or publish. Okay, so it's pretty easy and cool. Do something like that so that it becomes valuable. I hope you have got a brief idea about what is blogging and how you can document your learnings in an article, and how you can use it as your next income or getting a job by writing blogs. I hope this has helped you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. All links will be given in the description. Go and check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter. Thanks for watching this video.